What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a video for the Ford guys out there, adding this to the Super Duty list. This is one we've been working on for a couple of weeks, getting ready for it, and I'm very excited about it. This is a 2024 Ford F250 Limited. This is the last year of the Limited, I'm being told. The truck is that glacier gray color. It's a beautiful color. It's all color matched. The truck is immaculate clean. We're doing the 5-inch BDS lift kit with the Fox 2.0 shocks, 24x12 KG1 forged Vegas wheel in gloss black. And we're going to be doing a 37 1350 24 Toyo Open Country RT trail tire. It's an amazing all-terrain tire. It's going to be great. It's going to look awesome. We're also doing 16 rock lights on this from Infinite Off-Road. We're going to be doing 8 inside the fender wells and then 8 up underneath the truck. So stay tuned. This is going to be a really nice build. I'm excited to get it done for you. I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like now. Here's our beautiful F250. Like I said, this is a 2024, last year, the Limited. I think all the newer trucks are the Platinum and Platinum Plus. I'm guessing that the Platinum Plus took the place of the Limited. But anyways, last year of it, the truck is really nice. I love this color. It's glacier gray. It was very popular in 2024 when this first came out. It looks like he's done a lot of the color matching on the truck. This looks great on there. He's got some smoked headlights, it looks like. He's done some stuff up here in the front with the emblem. The gloss black KG1 wheels are going to look phenomenal on here. They really are. It's going to look awesome. The BDS lift kit is second to none, and the Toyo tires are the best you can get. Very excited about this one. About to get it pulled in right now and get it started. Stay tuned. We have our Ford F250 Limited ready to go with the 5-inch BDS lift kit, the 37-inch Toyo Open Country RT Trail tires, and the 24x12 KG1 Czar wheels. Actually, no, this is the Vegas wheels, sorry. The truck looks amazing. It looks very, very proportional. The color of the truck's awesome. The interior of the truck's awesome. I'm about to get out and show you what it looks like. Here's our final product, our beautiful 2024 Ford F250 Limited. This truck is that glacier gray color once again. A lot of color matching and stuff done on this truck. It looks phenomenal. Now everything matches and it's proportional. We have done the 5-inch BDS lift kit on this truck with the Fox 2.0 shocks. This is their radius arm kit. They have different options. They have a 4-link kit or a radius arm kit or a radius arm drop kit. The radius arm kit to me is, it's the one I do the most. I feel like it's more stable at high speeds. The 4-link kit is more for articulation on the suspension. There's your Fox 2.0 shock. This is the coil spring BDS provides with their kit. We also upgraded to a dual steering stabilizer with Fox 2.0s. Very, very nice add-on. In the rear, we have the Fox 2.0 shock as well. And then we have lift blocks and U-bolts here. This truck does have a ride height or onboard scale sensor right there. The wheels and tires that we chose on this one are the 24x12 KG1 Vegas in the gloss black finish. KG1 Forge is a very, very high-end, nice wheel at a decent price. The tires we went with on this one are 37, 13, 50, 24 Toyo Open Country RT Trail tires. 45,000 mile warranty, super smooth, super quiet tire. It's one of the best ones that I sell, and it looks phenomenal. This truck turned out amazing. If you have any questions about this truck, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. I'm also going to attach a quote for this job right after this clip, so if you're curious, stay tuned for that. I have merch for sale also on the website now. I got some shirts, hats, and other things. Check that out. It's jakesliftedlife.com. I appreciate everybody watching, and stay tuned.